nurtured by the dogmas of the Christian faith, etched deeply in the traditions of the Catholic Church. I walk with pride under God's glorious image. As an instrument of His abiding grace, in gratitude to my Pontifical, Catholic, and Royal Alma Mater. I promise to dutifully live the fruits of my learning in my chosen profession, moved by vows of excellence and commitment, and with conscience always strive to serve the Almighty, humanity, and this country. Now, as I leave the portals of my beloved university, I pledge allegiance and undying love to the Thomasian ideals. Let the cross of Christ be my beacon and light, my mentors, my witnesses. I pledge to be loyal and to perpetuate the values and truths that illumine every Thomasian's path. I am and will always be a true, faithful Thomasian. In my mind, heart, and spirit, so help me God.
Thank you, Ms. Rojas. As